So first let's make one slip knot and here, and make chains 1 2 3. I'm making small swatch, so I'll make total 31 chain and then plus 1 for first row. Okay, I have total 31 chain. Now first row I'll make 1 chain extra, and then I will skip first chain, make single crochet on the next chain. Just yarn over now, pull through, then next chain. So each chain make single crochet until you reach last. Make just single crochet. Here you will getting something like this. Finish this row with the single crochet and I'll meet you end of my when I will finish this row. Here I finished my first row with the single crochet, and now second row, turn your work, make 1 chain. When you start your second row, add 1 chain. So 1 chain, and then in the same over here, first if you see the first chain, make over here 1 single crochet, just like this, single crochet, and now make 11 chain. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. I have here 11 chain. Now here I have my single crochet on the first chain, and count 4. 1 2 3 4. You can see a little bit if you turn, so then you can see your chains. So 1 2 3 4 chains, skip 4. After, when you have here, don't count this way, we have single crochet. Next to 1 2 3 4, skip on the 5th, insert your hook on the 5th chain. This is our 5th chain, and insert your hook, make single crochet over here like this. Now I have here this, so we just need to do this in this line. Keep doing this. So after single crochet, make 11 chain. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. Same. Next, here I have single crochet. On the next, I will count next chain. 1 2 3 4, skip on the 5th. Next, here I have 5th one. Insert your hook on the 5th chain, make single crochet. That's it. Now 11 chain again. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. Skip 4 chain. 1 2 3 4. On the 5th, make single crochet. Then 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. 1 2 3 4 on the 5th, and then 11 chain. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11, and 5th. 1 2 3 4 5. On the 5th, make single crochet. Now I have here last 1 2 3 4, and now last 5th one I will make single crochet with the 11 chain. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11, and last here I have make single crochet. Just be careful in the last one. Okay, so here I have completed my second row, and now if you see, you have something like this. This is your second row. Turn your work. Now we'll do our third row. For the third row, make a first 4 chain. 1, 2, 3, 4 chain, and this I will count as 1 stitch. So here yarn over, no yarn over, just now we'll make single crochet. So this is the first one. Turn this like this. Here, if you see, we have to turn this little bit like this. I hope you guys can understand. This we have now, we have to make this turn here. So it's going up across. Here we have this now, and now I will make single crochet. So here I have 4 chain. Insert your hook in this space. Here we have this. I'm going to turn little bit on the top like this. Now you have something, and insert your hook in this. Make single crochet. Just hold this. You have to hold this until you will make your single crochet on the center. I'm going to show you like this. Hold, just you can hold here and then make here single crochet. So 1, I'll make again 2, 3. Yeah, so here I have 3 single crochet, so I'll make 4 4, so will be center 4. I make 4 single crochet, 1 2 3 4, and now you can just remove this. Will set, will not go anywhere. So this is done. Now yarn over twice. Now I will make triple crochet in this single crochet on the top of the single crochet. I have here single crochet. When you done this, here I have single crochet. Insert your hook in this single crochet, make triple crochet, yarn over twice, and then pull through 2, then pull through 2, then pull through 2. Here we have something like this. Now this first I started 4 chains, so I will count this as triple crochet, and then I did this. Now I will make 4 single crochet in this. So what we need to do, turn this like this, and now hold this over here. You can just with the finger, just put it to your finger and then insert your hook, make 4 times single crochet. 1 2 3, done. 4. Now it's set. This will, here we have something like this. So you guys can keep doing this until you finish this row. I am going to show again 2 times, and this is the single crochet on the top. Make triple crochet, insert your hook, bring, and then yarn over, pull through 2, then pull through 2, then again pull through 2. So I have here triple crochet. We have something like this. Then we'll make single crochet 4 times in this. Now what we need to do, just turn this, hold little bit with the finger and insert your hook, make single crochet, So once you make one, then you can, sorry, so 2, 3 and 4. I have here 4 and then leave. Make twice again yarn over, on the top of the single crochet, make triple crochet, 2, bring 2, through 2. Here we are getting something like this. Now this is so beautiful. You can make anything with this stitch. Now I will make single crochet on the 4th time in this. Turn this and put your finger little bit, so make in the, just has to be center here like this. That's it. And then once you make one single crochet, then you can leave here. Now make 3 more time, 2, 3, 4. Done. Now yarn over twice, make triple crochet on the top of the single crochet. Okay, done. Here now next single crochet I will make in this. Turn, 1, 2, 3, 4. Done. Then triple crochet on the next, yarn over twice in the single crochet over here on the top, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2. Then this is the last one. Turn, make single crochet 4 times, 1, 2, 3, 4. Done. Now I will make in the last, I have here single crochet, so we'll make triple crochet, yarn over twice and insert your hook. Last. Okay, complete. So I have completed over here my 3rd row. Now you can see your design. Now we'll make our 4th row. For the 4th row, what we need to do? Just turn, make 1 chain extra, and then I have here my triple crochet on the top. In the first here, I'll make 1 single crochet, just single crochet like this, and then same we will do how we make this 2nd row. So 11 chain, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Then skip 4. We know how now we will make on the triple. Here we have the triple crochet on the top. In this top here, make single crochet. It's now simple to, so we have something like this, and then 11 chain, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and make single crochet on the top of this triple crochet. Here we have this, make single crochet here. So just keep doing this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Then single crochet on the top of this. Finish this row and I'll show you one more row, so you can just keep doing, then it's repeat. So okay, I completed this, and last I'm going to show you, once I have here 4 chain, so where we will make single crochet 1, 2, 3, skip 3 chain on the 4th over here, just this here we have single crochet on the here, just make 1 single crochet here, something like this. I'll show you once. 1, if you see chains, so 1, 2, 3, skip on the 4th chain, here my 4th chain, make single crochet here. So finish. Now turn your work, make again 4 chain, 1 2 3 4 chain, and we'll count this as triple crochet. Then here work, turn this one, turn like this. Inside this, make 4 times single crochet, 1 2 3 4. Then here, go here, make triple crochet, yarn over twice. Inside this, make triple crochet, yarn over twice. Inside this, bring twice, 2 and 2, done. Then now here, turn this like this and make single crochet 4 times, just like this. Then 2 times, make 1 triple crochet over here. Okay, now just see what we're getting. We have this design. You guys can keep doing this. This is now repeat design. We just need to repeat last 2 rows. You can see second and third row. So keep doing this, finish this row, you will make exactly, and then over here next row will be same what we make this one. When you finish this row over here, then you just need to make 1 extra chain, then single crochet, and then 11 chain, then single crochet, 11 chain, single crochet, 11 chain, single crochet. When you here, next row will start when you finish 4 chain, then you will get this, turn this one and make 4 single crochet, then 1 triple crochet, 4 single crochet. That's it. Just keep doing, finish this design as whatever you are making. I'll make 2-3 more rows, then I will show you how this looks.